Hey, what's up, everybody? Dominoes 7 here. Okay, by yesterday talking about Kodak Black and all that. I don't know if I messed up on what I said yesterday when I mentioned Nipsey Hussle and all that. You know, I still say Kodak Black was wrong for what he said. You know, but never mind all that though. Okay. All right. So anyway. I want to say that James Holzhauer is going for another win. Okay, I mean winning and winning and winning and winning. You know, I mean I enjoy James doing his winnings and winnings a lot. No slipping and skipping. Well, yes, he was slipping and skipping. You know, because he did answer incorrectly on one of the clues or two of the clues or whatever. You know. Gotten a few triple stumpers and stuff like that, you know, yesterday. Like that noise though. Especially the time's up buzzer done sounded off, and I'm happy about that, you know. I like that noise. Yeah, I like that noise, you know. When time run out. So some of y'all like that noise, but my twin brother don't like the daily double noise. I don't know how to make that noise, you know. So anyway, Jeopardy coming on in a few. Win or lose, I'll be right back. Okay, so hope y'all have y'all TV set. Okay, have y'all TV set. Or DVR set, or whatever the hell y'all watching TV on. Y'all VCRs if y'all still watching VHS tapes, or whatever else. DVRs, DVDs, whatever. Make sure y'all have everything set. Alright, James is going for another win, and it's going to be big. He already won over $1 million, and he also making Ken Jennings cry. Okay? Alright, that's all I got to say. Alright, bye-bye.